What's up, everybody? Big Herc 916. Hey, you tuned in to another edition of my vlog. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, for supporting. You know, I'm all about that positivity and that motivation. Hey, you know, I'm a big car guy. So I'm headed to another car show right now out here in Seal Beach, the Original Parts Group. It looks like it's going to be predominantly like a Chevy car show, so I'm about to scroll through here, see what they're working with. But I'm also doing a giveaway for whoever comes up with the coolest name for my NSX. If you haven't seen the NSX, check out my video on my channel of me and the sexy gray beast, and let me know what you think. But the winner that I pick will get a prize. So holler at me, leave a message, leave a comment with the coolest name, and also let me know what you think about this video. He got a 72 Chevy. Kind of looks like the old Green Machine. Got bigger wheels though than I had on mine. But similar stance, similar green paint. Looks like he's got stock interior though, but the exhaust sounds good. Looks like he's got the custom gauges in there. So this is, like I said, a predominantly Chevy car show. So you got the Chevelle, you got the El Camino, another Chevelle, another Chevelle, like a Malibu. A lot of cool old schools out here. I like all cars, so it's kind of cool when you see a little bit of classic muscle jumping off. You know, I do the hypercar, supercar car shows too. This Camaro looks pretty saucy. Got the 427 up in it, with the billet hood hinges, the front spoiler. It's got a nice offset to it. Custom interior. I did a good job on interior. Got the deep dish wheels. And the black paint is clean. They actually blacked out the bumpers. He got a Caprice Classic. You don't see too many of these. This is a, let me see, I think a 7, maybe a 7 deuce or 7.3. I'm not sure. You guys let me know what it is. If it's a 72 or 73. I know the back window usually a telltale sign, but I forgot. And this looks like it's all about the business right here. Nice EFI setup. Feel like he did the suspension in it. I believe this is also I want to say it's it's not a Chevelle. It's not a, maybe a Malibu. Leave a comment, let me know. So I know it's got a post, so I'm kind of thrown off by the body style. He got a 69 Camaro Z28 with the Hugger orange. Looks like it's all factory. Houndstooth interior, 4-speed. And then right next to it, you have a RS Camaro. And a lot of these cars here, you'll notice that they're more stock than modified, because Original Parts Group is all about, you know, original parts, how the car came out the factory. So you'll see a lot of these, basically how it would look when it came out the factory in that particular year. He got a clean El Camino, look like it's sitting on air ride. It's got a Tech EFI setup, nice chromed accents on the motor, clean black paint. Looks like the interior is pretty stock. Nice offset on the wheels. You see the back's got a staggered. And this is a good look if you want something that's still a muscle car, but if you need to haul something, you can haul it. It's got that classic look, man. I believe this is like a 68 or a 69. And then right next to it, you have, which is more of the 80s look, El Camino. These are still real popular. Kind of the best of both worlds. Pretty stock engine bay. You could throw the Euro kits on these and they'll look real saucy. The homie got one with the 22s on it. This one looks like it's more of a stock wheel size. You have a Monte Carlo with the custom grill here. It's pretty clean. It's got the IROX on it. It's got that that stance that you guys are familiar with a little different flavor to it. The Euro front. Got the spoiler on the back. Got the beat in the trunk. Yeah, it's clean. Clean Monte Carlo SS. Another Monte Carlo. Couple of Elcos. This one actually has a turbo setup. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's a some type of turbo setup in there. Yeah, because it says Grand National, so it is a turbo setup on the Elco. But pretty crazy. He's got a little bit of everything going on with this. He's got the Corvair. You don't see a bunch of these. It's a pretty rare Chevy. And right next to it, you got the drop Malibu. Now these are clean when you get them all done up. This one looks like it's more original, but I love these in pro touring style. Clean lines in this car. And this one looks like they took it all back to original. And it's an SS. So far, what do you guys think, man? Do you have a favorite Chevy? Is it the Camaro, the El Camino, the Chevy, or the Malibu? What's your favorite? Let me know, man. You know, I like hearing what you guys are into out there. And I hope to catch some of y'all at the next car event. You know, I stay going to car events. If you're going to SEMA, let me know. We could try to hook up and flick it up. You know what I mean? And if you're going to be at Monterey Car Week, get at me, because I'll be at Monterey Car Week. Hopefully, I'll be driving the Black Bastard. So you'll be able to see me doing my thing in the Black Bastard. But stay tuned and holler at me. So we have a 72 El Camino right here. And this is actually my wife's favorite. She said they used to take road trips in this car with her mom and her brothers. And this one's got the Fi-Tech EFI setup, vintage AC. Interior looks pretty stock, but it has a lot of storage space. If you look at behind the seats, you could put a lot of stuff back there. You know, besides having this back deck lid right here that you can put storage in. So this is a pretty cool car, man. If you're looking for, like I said, the best of both worlds with muscle car and a truck. The 72, so maybe this might be something we'll look into picking up in the future. I think it's a good compromise between a car and a truck, and you still can have some performance out of it. So we got a 72 Monte Carlo. I had to get a quick video on this car. You don't see too many of these. And this one's got a nice clean paint on it. It's actually owned by a woman. I don't know if you can see on the hood there, but it's got like ghost flames. Clean interior. She did a really good job on the interior. And the lines on it are really nice.
Wow, man,
She got this really hooked up. It's clean. Yeah, it makes it real simple, man.
Jesus, really, man.
Got the big meats on the back, tucked in there.
I do.
Nice paint job on this car. Got a 69 here with a 427. These are always classic to look at. Got great lines. Even today, this car came out, it would be a big seller at the dealerships. Never get tired of this body style. And then right next to it, you got a 67 convertible. He's got this thing all hooked up. Look at that motor. Man, that thing is clean. 3+2, so it's got the 2 carbs, 435 horse, all chromed out. White interior. Super clean car. Side exhaust. That looks like he's the original owner too. Before I go, I'll get a quick shot of the rear of this car, because this is what the beauty is when you look at the back of it. It's got such a nice rear. If you look down here, you can see the reflection in the suspension. He's got the suspension hooked up down there.
I love all your facts.
Yeah, those were
super clean.
That was going on in the day.
So in life, it's always good to have some kind of hobby or interest, whether it's collecting baseball cards, comic books, maybe building models, RC cars, boats, motorcycles, planes, you know, something that's you're passionate about. And cars I'm very passionate about, so I love just going to car shows and seeing all the different people, the different personalities, and it's just, you know, brings back a lot of childhood memories, man, of just playing with cars as a kid. So, you know, I have the motivational stuff, but the car stuff is also something that interests me a lot. So I like to share it with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy watching these car videos. He got this 67 Chevelle right here with a two-tone paint. It's pretty clean. I've never seen this color tone. It's almost like a seafoam or more like a turquoise and gray. It's clean. It has a nice little flavor to the car, and then right next to it you have a red 6.7. This thing is clean too. Beautiful lines on this car. So you got a Monte Carlo Euro sitting on 24s, and you don't see too many Euros, but this one on 24s, he's looked like he's done some major work to. Just looking at the motor setup, he's got a lot going on here. It look like it's all just naturally aspirated, but he's got the EFI with a Post Series intake, Eldbrock high rise, some major head work done, suspension work done. Wondering what kind of numbers he's getting out of this thing, because it looks like he's all about the drag strip with this. And then, like I said, the Euros, you don't see a whole bunch of these. Usually you see the Monte Carlos, but like I said, with the Euro back is pretty rare. If you're a fan of second gen Camaros, this one right here is pretty clean. It's got the custom engine covers, shaved engine compartment, everything's painted, real clean fitment, custom interior. Interior is very nice. Looks very modern. And this orange paint is the business. It's got a lot of look like billet pieces here. The bumpers you can see have been I don't know if that's like a kind of a gray to match the rear light bezel. Kind of a cool trunk clip there. It's got a nice little stance going on to it. Looks like almost the Ken Diggett door handles. It's a clean car.
So if you notice, it flows with the car. You can't really tell.
You got a clean 69 Chevelle right here. Got the painted bumpers and the blacked out lights, which is really cool because it gives the car more of a stealthy look. Front brakes, got the disc set up. The aftermarket seats, aftermarket shifter, dash is pretty stock. Got the rear spoiler, place says slow jams, blacked out chrome. It's clean, man. I like this. He did a good job on his whole little theme here with the modern flow. Deleting all the chrome, making everything blacked out. So there you have it, the Seal Beach Original Parts Group Chevy Car Show. Nothing but Chevys in this video. Hopefully you Chevy guys appreciate it, and if you're a car guy, you appreciate cars because of the different styles. But you know, I'm just sharing. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Big Herc 916, all about that positivity and that motivation.